Welcome to the project demonstration of steps climbing and cleaning robots. By using the Wi-Fi controlling, we are going to control this robot movement forward, backward, left, right, and also the total bot which was cleaning from this middle of the system will be taken up and down with the help of this free wheel, so that we can climb the steps easily and we can control the direction of this total robotic system, and the cleaning of this using this cleaning brush under this we placed, and also water pumping. For the cleaning of these steps we are placing the water pumping system, as well as this red color we can see that. So it's a brush for cleaning the stairs. So this rack and pinion mechanism mainly to climbing the steps, while movement towards the steps we are using this totally. We are using the 4 motors for this stair climbing forward backward movements, and the main robotic system will be move left, right, forward, backward with the help of the 2 DC motors, total 6 DC motors here, and the 7th motor the backside up and down movements while after stair climbed. So it will provide the backside support, and the middle is the main system will take care of the lifting of the total bots. So totally we are using here 8 DC motors which were interfaced to the ESP32 through the L298 motor drivers. So we are using the 3 L298 motor driver. So one L298 motor driver for the total robot system forward, backward, left, right movements, another L298 motor driver for forward and backward of this middle system, and another L298 motor driver for lifting of the total robotic with for this 2 DC motors, and these 2 relays for water pumping purpose into this DC motor we are using, as well as the below one brush is there, so which was attached for the 200 RPM DC motor. So all these are interfaced as the input output modules to our ESP32, and the main system getting power supply from this lithium ion battery pack of 3000 mAh 11.1 volt DC output getting from this one, which is a rechargeable battery. So before demonstration, the very first step is we need to keep the battery under charging. For that, just connect this slots 2 pin on this one and on the power supply to this transformer, so which will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 12 volts of DC output for charging of our lithium ion battery pack. We should keep the battery under charging at least of 3 to 4 hours. If we utilized or not utilized once in 2 weeks we should keep the battery charging before demonstration. So once the time completion, you can disconnect this and keep this charger aside. And the next step is we need to install the network analyzer application, because some mobile phones won't show the IP address directly from the settings. So for that, if you want to get the IP address, then install this network analyzer application, and some mobile phones directly show the IP address in the settings only. After installation of that application, go to hotspot settings of your phone, configure the hotspot name to project 7982 without any space, without any capital letter, password 129, and the band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these 3 settings successfully done on the hotspots, and now on the power supply, this one is the main on off switch. So after we switch on that, we can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone. Right, click on this. So again click on this one, you can see the information, the IP address. So if you won't get the IP address over here, then you may get the IP address from this options, LAN scan, do the scan here. So if it is showing no Wi-Fi, then obviously you will get the IP address from here. Just note down the IP address 10.218.56.176. So mobile phone to mobile phone, this IP address will vary. Just copy and paste over here. Okay, and next go. So the web page will be loaded, so which will show these options. So wait till the web page will load. So once we load that, so these are options like right, so it will come like this. Now just set this for the mobile vision, and after that we can see the robot controlling here. So front, back, left, right, so for the robot total robot movements. And the next is the up down. So this is the main motor F, front side up down, back side up down, and step controlling. So this step controlling forward, backward, and the water and the mop will be controlled from here. So you can see here. So just I'm pressing and hold forward. When you release that, it has to stop. Otherwise, just double tap that, it will be stops. Backward, left side rotation. So slowly it will take the left rotation, and next right rotation. So keep press and hold, then automatically the direction will be controlled slowly here. Okay, And then next, up down. So when you press and hold up, so then slowly the total system will moving upside. As the step is there in front of that, then automatically it will come forward and stay at the step side section and lift the boards. And once we reach a certain level, then moving forward with the help of this, and it will be on the step. Again bring this down for the backside support, and again moving forward and lift this one. So like that we can climb the steps automatically. And this is down. And also we can place this down here. So this is upside. So when we show the up, so it will move upside. And you can see it will be supported now. So we can move forward also with the help of this below DC motors. Right. Okay, for the step climbing one. While step climbing, forward is enough. And the below mop also will be controlled here. It will control cleaning for the mopping. And the water. So just on the water. So it will pump the water below there. So let us check with demonstration real time on the steps directly. Right, now let us see that. So we are controlling that from the mobile phone. Right. And backside down. Right. And then so we can move forward, and we need to lift the body again. So now there is going to be the down again. We need to press and hold the down, nothing much. The total system will come down automatically, will moving upside. So once reaches again same levels, then we can go with the moving forward. Right, so once reaches the levels, then moving forward. Right, so over there we can on the water as well as the cleaning of this one. So we are on the water as well as cleaning forward. So moving forward and down. So be down for the cleaning of the steps. Moving forward again. Right. Right. So now cleaning that, we have down, down, down. Right. So when it's fully stand on that middle board, now we can on the brush. On the brush, water and brush. Right. You can see that it's cleaning the steps over there. And again coming to the next step climbing, slowly we will lift again. So every time we should keep this down. Okay, so we need to move forward, right? Lift that, then the middle board will handle the total system weight and the balancing. And again lift the whole body. it reaches a certain level, then you can control the robot movement like this, and again down. Right, the back spill with the supports so that we can lift the again middle cleaning part. So for the next step, step 1 was completed, and the next step we will just lifting that again body. So when again whole body will reach a certain level, then moving forward. So when we enter the step, then start the cleaning parts, brushing. Right, so moving forward so that the system automatically will clean the step. And once it reaches that, then lift the body again. Right, and again next step will be climbed. Right, again moving forward. Right, again the back side should be down. Right, once it reaches the same wheels level above, then again moving forward for the robot movements. So while controlling that, we should know which one is a forward, backward, otherwise it will comes down and fall down the steps. So while entering only, we need to on the cleaning brush, and again right, okay, again lifting that for the next step. So like the same thing, we can take this down also. So down is go. Stop. Right, so now let us take it down. So there also we need to control very gentle. Right, so once it's complete the steps over, then take this middle part up, down. Right, now move forward. See, now it's backward actually. So take this slowly, right, and now it is down. Right. Now total, once the body was lifted, the middle body lifted up. Now again moving forward. Right. Now it is moving backward actually. Gently. So we should take care of which wheel is going to be the balance and main important. Right. Now again come down. Right, coming down here. Right now it's coming down. Right, you can see that again. So once the total body get lift, moving forward. Right, moving forward. Again, it's a backward action. Right, now moving forward. So backward, sorry. Let's totally come out. Okay, and again back to 0. Right. Thank you.